people always take their dogs to the car wash? Hang on one second, I'll let you know in a second. We're going to follow these people in front of me as we go through the car wash. Doggies looks pretty excited today. Alright, so I can't see the dog that's in the car ahead of me, but he looked pretty excited to be getting his car washed, which is what I'm doing. I'm trying to catch him and see if he's really excited about it. You can answer me a question. Why can't you use your cell phone in a car wash? I mean, I had to check in and everything. I don't understand. I just saw the sign back there that said no cell phone usage. Is this like texting and driving because we're in the car? That must be what it is. Oh yeah. Hit that car clean. I don't know if you're supposed to do that either. Use your wipers in the car wash. Oh, there's the doggy's car. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Can't really tell. Oh, there she goes. Well, looked like he was having a good time in there anyway. You know what else they say you can't do in the car wash? Open your windows to get some free heat. No, I'm like, well, no, I'm not going to do it. But going through the dryer, I would think you can get some free heat.